The best investing apps for beginners. Today, we will take a look at some of the top investing apps for beginners and explain why they can help you succeed as an investor from the very first day. With these top 10 apps at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to start investing in stocks, manage your portfolio, monitor risk levels, and more. So, let's get started. But before you learn about the top investing apps for beginners, pay attention to the big red subscription button. As soon as you click it, you will be taken to the wealthy side, the life you deserve, where you'll find hundreds of videos. These videos contain the answers to almost any question you may have. There are also daily updates, so if you want to stay tuned, remember to turn on notifications. Number 1. SoFi Invest. The SoFi Invest app is a mobile-based investment platform that provides users with the opportunity to invest in a select number of investments offered by SoFi. The app is available on both iOS and Android devices and allows users to make deposits, view account balances and transaction history, as well as perform certain functions such as transferring money and accessing their online portal. One of the best things about this app is that it is equally easy to use and accessible for people of all experience levels. Whether you are a beginner or a pro investor, this app will prove to be your most powerful tool in business. Did we mention there is no fee and no commission fee applied to this app? This feature is best for investors who are just starting. Number 2. Acorns. The Acorns investment app is another great way to invest and save money in your spare change, one of the easiest ways to save daily. You can choose how much you want to invest each month and how often you want to receive your investment back. Once you're ready, just choose your investment option, set up your investment plan, and start investing. There are several things to consider before starting with this app, however. First, all of your deposits will be put aside, so you'll need to decide if that's a good use of your funds or not. Second, while this app is best for beginners, it is not completely free. You have to pay a fee of $3 every month, whether you are making a profit or not. Moreover, if you want to make additional accounts on this app, it costs you $5 instead of $3. So consider these things before making an account on Acorns. Number 3. M1 Finance. If you're looking for a simple, zero-fee way to invest in your stock portfolio, the M1 Finance app is a great option. In addition to offering traditional investing tools, such as limit orders and stop-loss limits, the M1 Finance app also allows users to track the performance of their chosen investments. The app will show you how much your investment has grown or declined over time, allowing you to see how well your picks are performing. Like most financial apps, the primary benefit of using the M1 Finance app is convenience. Rather than having to go to a brokerage or other financial service, you can use your phone to buy a few ETFs or watch the market while lounging in bed. The M1 app is also very user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. Users can log into their account using their phone number and password and can add or withdraw money from the bank account linked to their account. Number 4. Ali Invest. Ali Investment app is a mobile app that lets you invest in a range of short and long-term products. Ali Investment app is available on both iPhone and Android. You can use the Ali Investment app to invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. The main benefit of the Ali Investment app is that it makes investing easy for beginners. It also has low fees, making it an affordable option for first-time investors. You can choose from 4 portfolios in the Ali app. The options are income, core, tax-optimized, and socially responsible. Number 5. Stockpile. Unlike some investment apps that require you to deposit a certain amount of money before you can invest, Stack is designed for those who want to invest in a way that suits their current financial situation. Unlike other investment apps, which require you to deposit a predetermined amount of money into your account, Stack allows you to invest as much or as little as you want. The minimum investment required on this app is just $5. Once you've created an account and funded it with the amount of money you're comfortable with, Stack will start tracking your investments automatically. You can then receive notifications when your investments reach a predetermined threshold. In addition, Stack offers an easy way to create a custodial account. In other words, you can operate 2 accounts at the same time, an individual account and 1 custodial account. The only drawback to this app is that there is a commission fee of 99 cents on every trade you make. If you are okay with it, this app might be the best one for you. Number 6. Robinhood. Robinhood is an investment app. It allows you to buy stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum directly with cash. You can trade commission-free and fund your account with a debit card or bank account. Moreover, its account opening process is completely digital and takes no time, making this app even easier to use for beginners. You can deposit funds using a debit card or bank account linked to your Robinhood account. Once your funding is verified, you're ready to buy. However, there are some downsides to using Robinhood. It does not offer as many financial products as other applications. Moreover, previous users have complained of weak customer support. So, before you make your account on Robinhood, you should consider these downsides and make sure if this app is the best choice for you. Enjoying till now? Please hit the subscribe button now, like, share, and comment. And yes, keep watching. Number 7. Stash Invest. Stash is an investment app that lets you invest small amounts of money in a variety of investments. This app offers monthly investment plans. There are 3 for you to choose from. The first plan is perfect for beginners who do not have much money to start with. It charges you $1 per month. The next plan is also great for beginners, but it also helps you grow as an investor. At just $3 per month, you get professional advice and access to smart portfolio options. The third and last option is best if you want to strengthen your investment game quickly. This plan allows access to your bank, insurance, and access to 2 kids' portfolios. Moreover, you regularly get Stash insights and professional advice. Stash is incredibly simple to use, and it makes investing quick and easy. The app's interface is simple, which means you don't need to be a financial expert to use it. The app also makes it easy to track your investments and stay on top of your money. Stash is incredibly convenient, making it a great choice for busy people who want to invest their money without spending too much time. There are, however, a few things to keep in mind before you start using the app. First, you need to understand that the Stash investments are limited only to trading windows. Second, you need to pay a certain amount of monthly fee just to keep your account active here. If these things are fine with you, you can start investing using the Stash app today. Number 8. Investor. Investor is the best investing app you can use if you want to just practice investing without risking your money in the first place. This app offers investment learning lessons that are created by Investor Academy. Once and only after you learn everything about investing, you can start investing your money. There is no need to put in thousands of your dollars. You can start by just investing as little as $1. It's worth mentioning here that it allows you to invest in any stock, ETF, or even cryptocurrency. You can also choose from several investment strategies and decide how much you want to invest each time. The app also lets you track your investments and keep a monthly budget. Another nice feature is that you can set reminders and real-time alerts for when you need to make a deposit or withdrawal. In short, this is an all-in-one investment app that helps you save money while investing. It's not just for beginners, anyone can benefit from using it. Number 9. Public. The Public is one of the most popular third-party apps for investment. It allows users to invest their money in ETFs, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. This app puts the investors and the companies they are investing in on the same platform. When you invest in a company, you can follow them on the app and see where and how they are utilizing your shares. It is a great app for those who love to use social media because this app experience is not so much different from that. The best thing about this app is that there is no monthly fee, no commission charges, and no minimum balance limit at all. So, if you are a beginner in investing, this app might be the best choice for you. Another thing we loved about this app is its referral program. If you share the app link with your friends and even one of them joins the app through your link, you get free stock slices. The more invite links you send, the more stock slices you collect. Number 10. TD Ameritrade. The next app on our list is TD Ameritrade. It is one of the best online brokerages on the market today. It offers a wide range of investment products and services, including mutual funds and retirement accounts. The online broker also offers a mobile app for trading and investing. It has several top features that make it ideal for beginners to use. First of all, it has a great user interface, making it easy for non-tech-savvy people to navigate. Moreover, it provides plenty of educational information about stocks, ETFs, and options, and it offers a wide range of tools, including watch lists, trade alerts, and personal finance tools like budgeting tools, net worth calculators, and investing calculators. Never miss out on a big trade with real-time trade alerts available to all investors on this app. These alerts will let you know when your favorite stocks or ETFs are getting added to the market, helping you get in on the action before it's too late. Another great thing about this app is that you get access to all of your investments in a single place. Whether you're interested in a small amount of stock or an entire portfolio, TD Ameritrade has you covered. If you are wondering about fees and commissions, let us assure you there are none. Plus, there are no account minimums required to open an account with this app, meaning you can start investing without worrying about minimum deposits or fees. Number 11. Lux Algo. Last but not the least, we have Lux Algo. This app is a great choice for those who are looking for an all-in-one investment app. It offers a wide range of features, including investment tracking, budgeting, and reminders. What we love about Lux Algo is that it makes investment and crypto trading very easy and convenient. The predictive range strategy is also a great feature that can help you maximize your profits. This app includes toolkits like Fibonacci, TradingView, and many more. The best thing is that the robots of the app are programmed to predict market trends and help you make the best decisions. Whether you want to invest in stock, cryptocurrency, or indices, Lux Algo is the perfect app for you. It will help you take your investment game to the next level. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.